Hi, everyone! Today, we're sharing a video showing how to install Dazuma's waterproof, solar-powered downlight wall, sconces. The product package includes one small screw pack to mountings, screws, and to screw caps, an instruction manual, a waterproof solar-powered downlight wall sconce. First, loosen the mounting screw on one side of the product's back cover. Do not remove it completely. Simply loosen a single mounting screw to easily adjust the angle between the back cover and the light. Next, press the power button on the back of the device to turn it on. Drill holes in the product's back cover, then place the back cover where you intend to install the product and proceed to mark and drill the holes. Insert the two screw sleeves from the screw kit into the holes. Align the two holes on the back cover of the product with the screw holes and place it in position. Use an electric drill to install the two screws from the screws kit into the screw sleeves. Adjust the angle at which you intend to take the photo, and once you've confirmed it's correct, tighten the back cover screws that you loosened earlier. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.